everyone, I'm Don Taylor, and tonight my guest is Jim Hewson. Jim, when did you first decide to become a broadcaster?
Don, don't you think we should just be focusing on the game?
All right, we'll have to reschedule the interview.
Shanahan shoots the puck. Brodeur made the save.
He roams around the crease with the greatest of ease.
Elias shoots it quickly. Joseph turned the shot away. Yzerman. Yager had the puck. Yzerman shoots! Friesen with it now. Elias took it. Taken out. Chelios takes possession of the puck. Solani shot the puck. Pandolfo. Mowed down. Giunta grabs the puck. Marchman. Fedorov gets it. Solani scooped it up. Fedorov gets caught offside and play is stopped. The face-off goes to Detroit. Yager. Breland holds it by the defender with one hand on his stick.
His next trick, levitation.
Joseph denies him. Breland jumps on the loose puck. Fires it! Oates now with it. Ference grabs it. Oates shoots it! Brodeur made the brilliant save. Langenbrunner played him.
Like a ukulele at an all-night luau.
Madden shoots quickly. Grattan gets the pass from Joseph Oates. Maltby shot the puck. Brodeur stoned him cold. Madden put it between his legs.
Nice trick, Ace.
Maltby. Fedorov stoned by Brodeur.
One man's obsession, keeping pucks out of the net.
Marchman works over Berglund.
I'm staying away from him at the post-game interviews. What a hit!
Brewer grabbed the puck. Door slammed shut by Brodeur. Brodeur hangs on for the whistle. Richer. Elias shoots the puck. Richer has it. He gets laid out. Friesen gets hold of the puck. Richer grabbed it. Fedorov stops the shot. He's with the puck. Chelios gets the shot off. New Jersey takes it. Langenbrunner. Shanahan runs over Richer. Nemchinov. Joseph shuts the door.
And you can add one more save to his personal stat sheet.
Play in the first period.
Yager. Shanahan turned away.
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me, 20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make.
Congratulations.
Sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff. Welcome back to this evenly matched contest.
Let's see what's happening at ice level to start the second period. Berglund. Koivu corrals the puck. Tverdovsky has it now. The door is shut by Joseph.
The bigger the save,
Madden scores! Too bad about the last one. They were looking pretty good for a while.
and I thought you liked them for their winning personalities.
Elias shoots. Marchman gets in the way. Fedorov. Shoots the puck. Brodeur. Great save.
There's no question. Instincts count in this kind of game.
Delayed call against New Jersey. Linden. Saved by Brodeur.
His job is to throw himself in front of a speeding puck. Think about that.
Friesen will serve time for cross-checking.
Jim, did you know the referee's uniform was actually created so that officials would stand out from players on long-ago, low-resolution televisions?
New Jersey will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They've just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Like you, Don.
Not that smart, Jim.
Friesen has done his penalty time, and that means his team is no longer down a man. Chelios gets bowled over.
Chances are that didn't leave him feeling invigorated.
Madden shoots the puck. Lidstrom gets the pass from Joseph. Madden with the puck. Stone cold by Joseph.
Get that out of here!
Yzerman shoots! Denied by Brodeur.
Not in my net! Not just then, anyway.
Nemchinov. Lidstrom grabs the puck. Yzerman. Linden goes to the backhand. Breland corrals it. Brewer. Marchment now with it. Quick shot. Brodeur denied him. Brodeur hangs on for the whistle. Berglund. Koivu took the puck. Madden now has it. Tverdovsky gets it. Grattan gets pushed. Madden picks up the puck from Brodeur. Koivu. Berglund gets laid out.
Keep your head up next time, Chuckles.
Linden stoned by Brodeur.
They keep sending them in, and he keeps sending them out.
Friesen scoops up the loose puck. Rafalski gets shoved. Marchment takes possession of the puck. Richer. It's one-on-one. Friesen shoots the puck. New Jersey takes over. He gets hit.
In Spanish, I believe those are referred to as El Cruncho Grande hits.
Linden.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Stevens grabs the puck. Madden gets laid out.
Smashed into him like an anvil with an attitude.
That wraps up the second period. The Red Wings have been playing a clean game tonight, yet still trailed by a goal.
They've been a little too careful. A solid defense is a physical defense. I've been watching this game for some time now, Jim.
Good for you, Don. Yager fires it.
You know, if you're going to shoot wide, you may as well not shoot at all.
Niedermeyer gets the pass from Brodeur. Shoots the puck. Saved by Joseph.
This is your typical story of puck meets net. Not.
Shanahan shoots it hard. He scores!
I should make a movie about that goal. Although I guess no one would pay money to see a 3-second movie.
The third period is off to a great start.
The score is even, the emotion on the ice is high, and everybody has great seats. Just call it a little slice of heaven.
Ferguson jumps on the loose puck. Breland shot the puck. He misses the net. Joseph makes the save. Nemchinov shoots the puck. Oates. Grattan, door slammed shut by Brodeur.
Some saves are insanely easy, Jim. That's just the way it goes.
Nemchinov. Breland. Langenbrunner got the puck. Yzerman scoops it up. Yzerman, he gets laid out.
He didn't rock him. He didn't roll him. Why even hit him?
Offside, New Jersey. Elias. Friesen scoops up the loose puck. Elias corrals it. Shoots it from the right. Yzerman grabbed it. Shanahan. Friesen takes possession. Backhands it. Brodeur with a great save. Brodeur hangs on for the whistle. The faceoff goes to the Red Wings. Saved by Brodeur. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. New Jersey beats out the icing call. Marchment is going to the box for cross-checking.
Instead of giving guys penalties, how about they just drop slime on them? Hey, it's a radical idea, but it could work.
New Jersey is up a man, and that spells trouble for the home team.
They'll need to dig deep to kill this penalty.
New Jersey is in great shape now.
Time to cash in on a few mistakes made by the home team.
And again misconduct.
Oates with the puck.
Served by number 21, Brandon Smolinski.
Detroit gets a little help. One of its penalties is over. That leaves them down by just one man. Shot the puck.
Sadly, the whole missing the net thing rendered that shot pretty much useless.
Friesen gets hold of the puck.
I could do that, Jim. I just don't want to.
Brewer had the puck. Fires! Brodeur made the save! Stevens. Madden. Shoots the puck from the right. He hits the post. Madden hits Yager. Koivu jumps on the loose puck. Berglund. Smolinski has it. Berglund hits him. A little longer to go in the third here with both teams still locked in a draw.
Hey, let me guess. They've got lock draw. Lock draw, Jim, you know. Jeez, Jim, don't you have any funny bones?
No. Nemchinov gets muscled off the puck. Yager. Chelios shoots it quickly. New Jersey with it now. Nemchinov. Lidstrom shoves him. Blocked. Langenbrunner knocks him off the puck. Smolinski with a wrist shot.
No need to hit the net every time, Jim.
White. Nemchinov controls the puck. Nemchinov dumped it in. New Jersey gets a hold of it. The door is shut by Joseph. Ference. Ferguson with the puck.
We end the third in a tie and head into overtime, where a single goal can cause things to come untied.
Stink, and no one has the heart to tell you. Just a
Jim, I woke up this morning and somehow just knew I'd be witnessing a great game here tonight.
So far, it's been fun to watch, and you just know it's going to continue this way, so drop the puck. Elias. Brewer takes control of the puck. Brewer. Oates takes control. Marchment gets it. Brodeur made the save. Friesen jumps on the loose puck. Friesen! Brewer with the puck. A minute left and still tied in OT.
Hey, if we swap the O and T, we get TO. And that means Toronto, Ontario.
Offside, Detroit.
Or dunk your favorite player in the water tank? You can at our
Gionta takes possession of the puck.
Tickets are available at the box office.
Zuzan, stone cold by Joseph. Yager shoots the puck from the left. Scores! They win the game!
You know, a goal like that only comes once in overtime.
How insightful. And that's the end. Detroit conjures up the OT win. You wouldn't know it to look at the final score, but these guys played a lot of time shorthanded.
But they look just as good playing with 4 men on the ice as most teams do with 5.